Janhavi Panwar and welcome to another video. And in this video I'm gonna tell you something regarding how to learn English. And in learning English, what are the steps, as I've already told you in my previous video. And in this video I'm gonna tell you something regarding the chunk sentences, which I kept on the matter in the first topic, which was a step in the video of steps of learning English. And if you haven't watched it yet, go first and watch that video so that you are gonna come over with the steps of learning English. And in this video I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna speak the words, how you're gonna speak the chunk sentences, and then what about the paragraphs. So let's get into the video and let's get started. The first point, which is speaking in normal words. As I already told you, and as I told you to go and watch the video, that speak in different words. Words kind of like, we people know really many words in English. We notice it some of the posters or somewhere when we watch some English movies or some videos. We just come through daily approximately a lot of thousand English words, and we people still don't use them. And what you're gonna do is, what is gonna be your step is, you have to speak all those words. You can mix up it with Hindi and English or with your dialect. There isn't any problem that. So what are you gonna do? Mix up all these things and speak the words. Whatever you come through, find out their meaning and speak those words as much as you can. The next point, after just learning all these words and after coming into of the daily life for these words, what are you gonna do next is you are gonna take them in sentences. You have learned so many words, and after coming into practice with all of these words, what are you gonna do next is you are gonna take them into sentences. Now these words are gonna mix up as a sentence. Even though don't focus on your grammar, how your grammar is, just start speaking in the sentences. These sentences are gonna be small. So now let me tell you the morning, afternoon, and the evening sentences. In the morning, when you wake up, finally you say good morning to everybody, you wish everyone, and then you start speaking the sentences like, I have to hurry, have someone iron my shirt, I'm getting late, I'm gonna catch the bus, I'm gonna have my breakfast, what have you prepared, what I've cooked, what I'm gonna eat today, what should I pack for lunch, what should I take with me. And somewhere when you're on the bus stop, then you reach your bus stop after how much time would the bus take to come? All right, the bus is finally here. I'm getting on the bus. I'm gonna have a seat. I'm going in my car, my traveler, and now I'm playing on the radio. So these sentences in the morning, like any time of the day, whenever it's morning, so you speak these kind of sentences. If you are in a car or if you are in a bus, start speaking the sentences like, I am traveling. And there I know it is the same poster. There is the same person who I see daily. Who is this person? I'm gonna get the ticket. I'm playing the radio. If you're in your car or in your personal vehicle, so you're gonna go with these sentences. The next is the afternoon part. Now, what about an afternoon part really? Afternoon is gonna be, I'm gonna get my lunch. What did I make? What did I have cooked in the morning for my lunch? What do I have with me today? Okay, I'm gonna go and meet some of my friends because it's lunchtime. I'm gonna go get a break. I'm gonna go have a coffee. Or it's time I should take a little nap. I'm a bit tired. I'm gonna wake up at 3 after my whole tired sensational is gone. So all these type of things, all these type of sentences you speak in the midday. Now in midday, many people have their lunch break, many people go out, or many people take a nap. So start speaking those kind of sentences. I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna go take a break. I'm gonna go meet with my friends. I'm gonna go meet my colleagues. So speak these kind of sentences. The next is the evening part. Coming on to the evening part, now many of us, we go to our homes after our jobs, or many of the people, we don't even go to jobs. So for the kids who are watching this, you're gonna speak the sentences like, I'm gonna play now, I'm going back to home. Hey, that car, I need a car. Like if you see a car, just a random sentence. In the evening, you feel like, now what I'm gonna cook for dinner, what have mom prepared. This is gonna be, I should have a light meal for my dinner. I should take my old clothes and now I'm gonna go sleep. I should definitely have milk before sleeping, before crashing on my bed. Okay, I should watch some TV. On TV, it's the same program. I should watch my favorite program. And I think I'm gonna prepare for tomorrow, what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So speak all these kind of sentences in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. After you stop speaking all of the words, mixing up those and the sentences, the next part is big paragraphs. Now you people must be thinking, how are we gonna speak with anyone in big paragraphs? We are now delivering a lecture. Not like this. The big paragraph leads to the conversation. How many times you speak with other people, start speaking English? Well, most of the people, we are always in a dilemma that how to do this paragraph thing, how to combine all these sentences. Well, let me tell you. Again, the same part, when you woke up in the morning, stop speaking sentences. I think I'm gonna wake up in the morning and then I did this. Go at night, prepare a diary. What have you done in your full day? Write a paragraph. That's it. And after that, the conversation part, of course. Conversation can be called as paragraphs, but whenever you conversate with anyone, whenever you're speaking with anyone, what are you gonna do is you are gonna have that conversation fully in English. So that will turn up to be a big paragraph, of course, because we have so much conversation with many people in a day. So that's it, what you're gonna need. Words, chunk sentences according to the time of the day, according to your situation, and the big paragraphs as coming on to the conversation part. So these 3 steps, you're gonna do it. Don't focus on the grammar. Never think of the grammar. What are you gonna use? Just speak. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do press the subscribe button and do press the like button. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much, and do drop a comment. Bye!